In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an account with Truist Bank. Whether you're setting up your very first bank account or switching to Truist for its robust offerings, the process is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive into the steps together to get you started on this financial journey. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type Truist Bank and hit enter. The search results will populate, and you'll want to click on the first result that appears. This link will direct you to Truist Bank's official website. Once you're on their homepage, look for the Start Application button and click on it. This will lead you to the beginning of the account creation process. It's a simple application and doesn't require a prior banking relationship with Truist to get started. Next, you'll be prompted with a question regarding current Truist customers. Click No to indicate that you are a new customer if that applies to you. After this, you'll be asked to enter your zip code. This ensures that the bank can provide location-specific information and services. Enter your details, and if you have a promo code, there's an optional section where you can input this information. Otherwise, proceed by clicking Continue. During the application, you might be presented with additional products or services. For now, click on No Thanks, Skip for Now to focus solely on setting up your bank account. As you proceed, you'll reach the section where you need to input your personal information. Make sure to have your basics ready. Enter your first and last name. You will also need to select your citizenship status and enter your birth date. Subsequently, you will be asked to provide your social security number. Accuracy is key, so after entering it once, make sure to carefully re-enter it for verification purposes. Next, provide your phone number and email address. These contact details are crucial for account setup and future communications. Following this, choose your employment status from the available options. As you proceed, you will be asked to check a box to confirm you have read and agreed to the bank's certifications. Make sure to go through the terms to have a complete understanding before agreeing. Click Continue to move forward. Once completed, you will be directed to the Account Options page. Here you'll make selections about the type of account you want to open and any features or preferences you may wish to include. Be sure to finalize your choices and confirm your information is correct. Finally, you'll reach the confirmation page. Review all the details to ensure that everything is in order. Once satisfied, your application will be submitted for processing. Congratulations, you've successfully completed the application to open your account with Truist Bank. Be sure to watch out for any follow-up communications from the bank to complete any next steps. This step-by-step process ensures that you cover everything needed for a swift and successful account registration. Thank you for joining, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.